In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer or save the photos from any USB flash drive, mobile storage, or an external drive directly into your PC. This is for all the people who are not tech savvy. So if you don't know how to transfer the pictures, here's how you can do it. So whatever it is, if it's a USB, if it's a mobile drive, you will see similar options. You will head over to the drive, and this is for the USB drive, and wherever your pictures are, whether in the folder or on the main page, you will head over to that, and whatever pictures you have, you will just select all of them, or by just holding the mouse and dragging it like this. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl A to copy all of them, and then you just right click here and you hit copy. From the top, you will see this copy option. You can also use Ctrl C short key. So hold the Control key and press C to copy this. And then wherever you want to save it. For example, I want to save it in my D drive. And let's paste it, create a folder here. And here is my photos. I have just created a folder. Go to that folder and we just right click and click on paste, or otherwise you can also use the shortcut of Control, hold the Control key and press V, and all of the pictures will be transferred here. So this one was for the USB drive. How we can do it on a mobile phone? First of all, you will just connect the mobile phone and make sure when you connect it with your cable, with the USB drive that you have in your laptop, you must choose file transfer on your mobile screen. Otherwise it will only charge and will not show the drive. Once I have selected that, you will see this internal storage option like this. You click on that, you click on this drive, and let's say that you are trying to transfer the pictures from your camera. You will go to the DCIM and you will head over to the camera. All the pictures will be there. So whatever you want to copy, just copy it, press Ctrl C. And if you want to, let's say, copy multiple files, what you do is you select multiple files or pictures to copy. And after that, I'll head over to the drive where I want to paste it. Let's say in this case, it's photos. I've already created that drive and that folder. I'll just paste it here by pressing Ctrl V, or either we can right click and click on paste. So this is how you can paste the photos. Now, if you want to find the screenshots in the mobile drive, how we can do that? We will go to the internal storage drive and we'll go to DCIM and we will go to the pictures from the main drive instead of DCIM and go to the screenshots, and here are all the screenshots that you can copy and paste. Similarly, if you have some video recordings, let's say any kind of screen recordings you have, you can find it in the movies and then screen record. Alternatively, if you're using some external application like X Recorder, I'm using X Recorder. So you just double click on that and you should be able to see all the videos or screen recordings like this one. You can just copy them and paste it in your computer, just like pasting it here. But whenever you see any kind of error message, make sure to not open this directly, just transfer it first and then open it. That's the way to resolve that issue. So that is how you can transfer all of your photos, screenshots, or videos directly from your USB drive or mobile drive into the laptop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.